In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a filter in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Let's get started by clarifying what we're doing. In Pipedrive, your filters already exist in the filter list for each view, like contacts, deals, or organizations. We're not creating a new filter today. Instead, we're making your go-to filters easier to find by adding them to your favorites. This is a quick way to keep important views just a click away. Open the entity list where you use the filter most. Contacts is a common example, but this works the same for deals, organizations, or activities. Make sure you're on the list view so you can see the toolbar at the top of the page. Now, look toward the top right of that list and click the Filters menu. This opens a panel showing all available filters for that entity. You'll see the filter you already use and want to save for easy access. Hover your mouse over that filter's name. As you hover, a small star icon appears to the side. Click the star. When the star fills in, that filter is now marked as a favorite. That's it. The filter is saved to your favorites so you can grab it instantly next time. To use your newly favorited filter, open the Filters menu again. You'll notice a Favorites section near the top of the list. Click that section and you'll see the filter you just starred. Select it and your list will update to match those filter criteria. From now on, you won't need to scroll through a long list. Your favorites keep your most important filters front and center. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Favoriting doesn't change the filter's rules. It simply pins it for faster access. If you ever want to remove it from favorites, open the Filters menu, hover over the same filter, and click the star again to unstar it. Keeping a short, meaningful favorites list helps you switch contexts quickly without clutter. If you manage multiple entities, favorite the equivalent filters in each view, so your workflow stays consistent across contacts, deals, and more. And if you don't immediately see the star, try widening your browser window or scrolling the filter panel. It's there when you hover over the filter name. That's all you need. Click Filters, hover over the filter you already use, star it, and then retrieve it anytime from the Favorites section. Simple, fast, and a real time saver for your daily work in Pipedrive.